Hi, I'm tutoring Plus. Today we are going to see Linux part 23, frequently asked used Linux commands. Linux has more than Linux has 650 commands, out of which only 50 commands are very frequently used by the practitioner. And moreover, in the 50 commands also, there are only few options that are used, and these are being discussed in these slides. First command is tar commands example, create a new tar archive, tar cvf archive name, tar name / extract from existing tar archive, tar xpf archive name .tar, viewing an existing tar archive, tar tvf archive _name .tar. Grep command, search for a given string in a file, case insensitive search. Grep -i, the demo file, print the matched line along with the 3 lines after it. Grep -a3 -i, example demo text, search for a given string in all the files recursively. Grep -r ramesh star. Find commands, example, find files using file name, case insensitive find -i name, my program, C program.c, executes commands on the file found by the find command, find -i name, my C program.c -execute, MD5 sum, curly bracket open close, / semicolon, find all the empty files in the home directory, find till -empty. SSH command examples, login to remote host, SSH -l, J Smith remote host.example.com, debug SSH client, SSH -v -l, J Smith remote host.example.com, display SSH client version, SSH -v, open SSH _3.9p1, open SSL 0.9.78, February 19, 2003. SCD example, command examples, when you copy a DOS file to Unix, you could find /r/n in the end of each file. And this example converts the DOS file format to Unix file format using the SCD command. $SCD within quotes $/$ file name, print file content in reverse order, SCD -n within quotes 1 exclamation G semicolon H semicolon $P. The geekstuff.txt, add line number for all non-empty-ines in a file, SCD within quotes // equal to the geekstuff.txt pipe SCD within quotes capital N semicolon S /n // awk command examples, remove duplicate lines using awk within quotes exclamation within bracket $0 in array bracket close, curly bracket open array square bracket open $0 square bracket close, semicolon, print curly bracket close 10, print all lines in etc password that has the same UID and GID, hack -f within quotes colon within quotes $3 equal to $4 password.txt, print only specific field from a file, arc within quotes within curly bracket, print $2 $5 semicolon employee text. Vim command example, go to the 143rd line of the file, VIM plus 143 file name.txt, go to the first match of specified vim plus /search -term file name.txt. Open the file in read only mode, vim minus capital R /etc/password. Diff command examples: ignore white spaces while computing. Hash diff minus the w name list .text name list new .text to C2, 3. Jody John M. Doe Chancel Bourne. Sort command example: sort a file in ascending order, sort name text, sort a file in descending order, sort -r name data, sort password file with third field, sort -t :-k 3n etc password, and pipe more. Export command examples: to view Oracle related environmental variables, export pipe grep Oracle, declare -x Oracle _base equal to /u01/app/Oracle, declare -x Oracle _home equal to /u01/app/Oracle/product/10.2.0, declare -x Oracle SID inside the MED, and declare -x Oracle temp to export an environment variable, $export Oracle home equal to /u01/app/Oracle/product/10.2.0. xargs command examples: copy all images to external hard drive /ls.star.jpg pipe xarg -n1 -i cp open close /external hard drive directory. Search all JPG images in the system and archive it. Find /-name star.jpg type -print pipe xarg -cv images star.gz. Download all the URLs mentioned in the URL list text file. Cat URL -list.txt pipe xarg wget -c. Ease command example: display file size in human readable format. Example: KB, MB, etc. ls -lh -r w -r -1 ramesh team dev 8.9 megabyte June 12 1527 archive Linux text.gz. Order files based on last modified time in reverse order using ls-ltr visual classification of files with special characters using ls-f. Password pwd command. Pwd is print working directory. What else can be said about the good old pwd who has been printing the current directory name for ages? CD command examples: use CD to toggle between the last two directories. Use shopt-s CD spell to automatically correct misspelled directory name on CD. More on CD example, also Linux CD commands acts. gzip commands example: to create a star.gzip compress file, gzip test.txt to compress a star.gz file, gzip -d test.txt.gz display compression ratio of the compressed file using gzip -l, gzip -l star.gz compress uncompress name compress ratio 23.709 97975.7.8 ASP patch RPMS.txt. bzip2 command examples: to create a star.bzip2 compress file, bzip2 test.txt to compress and compress a star.bz file, bzip2 -d test.txt.gz2. Unzip command example: to extract a star.zip compress file, unzip test.zip, view the contents of star.zip file without unzipping it, unzip -l jasper.zip, archive jasper.zip, and the details of length, date, time, and name will appear. Shutdown command examples: shut down the system and turn the power off immediately. Shutdown -H now. Shutdown the system after 10 minutes. Shutdown -H plus 10. Reboot the system using the shutdown command. Shutdown -R now. Post the file system checking during reboot. Shutdown -FR now. FTP command examples: both FTP and secure FTP has similar command to connect to a remote server and download multiple files. Do the following: FTP IP/hostname, FTP mkdir.html to view the file names located on the remote server before downloading. MLS FTP command -1 below, MLS start.html, FTP test /feature.html, FTP test /HTML, FTP test other tools.html, FTP test sample report.html, usage.html. Crontab command examples: view crontab entry for a specific user. Crontab -u John -l schedule a cron job every 10 minutes. */10 /om/ramesh check disk space. Service command example: service command is used to run the system file Unix script. That is, instead of calling the script located in the /e/init.d directory with that path, you can use the service command. Check status of the service. Service SSH status. Check the status of all the services. Service --- status -all. Restart a service. Service SSH restart. PS command examples: PS command is used to display information about the processes that are running in the system. When there are lot of arguments that could be passed to a PS command, following are some of the common ones. To view current running processes, PS -ef pipe mode. To view current running process in a tree structure, H option stands for process hierarchy. PS -efs capitalized pipe mode. Free command example: this command is used to display the free used swap memory available in the system. The typical free command output, the output is displayed in bytes. Free buffers, total cache used, and free and shared information are shown. If you want to check how many GB of RAM your system use the option -B option displays in bytes, in K option in kilobytes, and -M option in megabytes. Free -G plus or minus swap. If you want to see a total memory including the swap, use the -T switch, which will display a total line as shown in below. Top command example: top command displays the top processes in the system. By default, the sorted CPU usage. It will sort the top output by any column plus capital O, uppercase O, which will display all possible columns that you can sort by as shown below. Current sort feed P for the window, 1 for def. To differ what the processes that belong to a particular user, use -U option. The following will show only the top processes that belong to a Oracle user. Top -U Oracle. DF command example displays the file system displays usage by default. DF -K displays output in bytes. So file system K blocks used and available by percentage use and mounted on are shown in here. Use -DF -H displays output in human readable form. That is, size will be displayed in GBs. Use -T option to display what type of file system. Kill command examples: use kill command to terminate the process. First, to get the process ID, use the PS -EF command. Then use kill -9 to kill the running Linux process as shown in below. You can also use kill all, pkill, xkill to terminate a Unix process. PS -EF -grep vim kill -97243. rm command examples: get confirmation before removing the file. rm-i file.txt. It is very useful while giving shell meta characters in the file name argument. Print the file name and get a confirmation before removing the file. rm-i file start following example recursively removes all files and directories under the example directory. This also removes the example directory itself. rm-r example. cp command example, copy file1 to file2 preserving the mode ownership and timestamp. cp-p file1 file2, copy file1 file2 if file1 to exists, prompt for confirmation before overwriting it. cp-i file1 file2. Move command rename examples: rename file1 to file2 if file2 exists, prompt for confirmation before overwriting it. And move -i file1 file2. Note: move -f is just opposite, which will overwrite file2 without prompting. Move -b will print what is happening during the file name. Rename, which is useful while specifying shell meta characters in the file name argument. mb-b file1 file2. cat command examples: you can view multiple files at the same time. Following examples print the content of file1 followed by file2 to stdout cat file1 file2 while displaying the file. Following cat -n command will prepend the line number to each of the line of the out.conf. Mount command example: to mount a file system, you should first create a directory and mount it as shown below. Make directory /u01 mount /dev/sp sdb1/01. You can also add this to the step for automatic mounting. That is, anytime system is restarted, the file system is mounted. chmod command example: chmod command is used to change permissions for a file directory, give full access to user and group, that is write execute on a specific file. Change mode ug+rwx file.txt. Revoke all access for the group, that is read, write, and execute on a specific file. chmod g-rwx file text. Apply the file permissions requested to all the files in the ASP directory. chmod -r ug+rwx file.txt. chmod command example: chmod command is used to change the owner and group of a file. / to change the owner to Oracle and group to DB on a file. That is, change both owner and group at the same time. chmod Oracle :dba depora.sh. Use -r to change the ownership recursively. chmod -r Oracle :dba Oracle. Password command example: change your password from the command line using password. This will prompt for the old password followed by the new password. passwd. A super user can use password command to reset other password. This will not prompt for current password for the user. Password username: remove password for a specific user. User can disable password for a specific user. Once the password is disabled, the user can log in without entering a password. Password - username. Make dir command examples: following examples, create a directory called temp under your home directory. Make dir /temp. Create nested directories using one make dir command. If any of these directories exist already, it will not display any error. If any of these directories does not exist, it will create them. Make dir -p dir1//3/3/. If config command examples: if use if config command view or configure a network interface on the Linux system, view all the interfaces along with the status. If config -a start or stop a specific interface using up and down commands as shown below. If config ETH up, if config ETH 0 down, more if config examples. uname command example. Uname command displays important information about the system such as kernel name, host name, kernel release number, process step, etc. Sample uname output from the Ubuntu laptop is shown below. Uname -a. Where is command example? When you want to find out where a specific Unix command exists, for example, where does ls command exist, you can execute the following command. Where is ls? ls/bin/ls /share/man/min ls.1.gz /user//1p/ls1p.gz. When you want to search an executable from a path other than the where is default path, you can use -b option and give path as argument to it. This searches for the executable ls.lp in the /temp directory and displays it if it is available. Where is -u -b /tmp -f ls.lp :/temp/ls.lp. What is command? Example, what is command? Displays a single line description about a command. What is ls? ls1. This directory's contents. What is if config? If configure, config the network interface. Locate command examples. Use locate command. You can quickly search for the location of a specific file or a group of files. Locate command uses the database created with the update db. The example below shows all the files in the system that contain the word crontab in it. Locate crontab, etc. ANA crontab, etc. crontab, etc. bit crontab, etc. share doc cron. Example crontab to English.pl.gz. User /shareman/man crontab1.gz. Users /shareman/manfy crontab.v.gz. User /shareman/manfy crontab.v.gz. User share vim to syntax crontab.vim. Man command examples. Display the man page of a specific command. Man crontab. When a man page for a command is located under more than one section, you can view the man page for that command from a specific section as shown below. Man section number, command name. Following 8 sections are available in the man page. General commands, system calls, C library functions, special files. Usually devices those found in /7 drivers, file formats and convention, games and screensavers, miscellaneous, system administration commands and daemons. For example, when you want what is crontab, you will notice that crontab has 2 man pages, section 1 and section 5. To view section 5 of crontab man page, do the following. What is crontab? Crontab 1, maintain crontab files for the individual users. Crontab 5, table for the timing crontab. Man 5. Crontab is used to tab section 5. Tail command example. Print the last 10 lines of a file by default. Tail filename.txt. Print capital N number of lines from the file name file.txt. Tail -n capital N file name.txt. View the content of the file in tail temp using tail -f. This is useful to view the log files that keep growing. The command can be generated using CTRL-C tail -f log file. Less command example. Less is very efficient viewing huge log files as it does not need to load the full file while opening. Less huge -log -file .log. When you open a file, less command. Foreign 2 keys are very helpful. CTRL+F forward one window, CTRL+B backward one window. SU command example. Switch to a different user account using a SU command. Super user can switch to any other user without entering their password. SU -username. Execute a single command from a different account name. In the following example, John can execute the ls command as xargs username. Once the command is executed, it will come back to John's account. h2 minus rs minus c minus ls. It will come back to John account. Log into a specified user account and executable the specified shell instead of the default shell. h2 minus s shell name surname. MySQL command example. MySQL is probably the most widely used open source database on Linux. Even if you don't run a MySQL database on your server, you might end up using the MySQL command client to connect to a MySQL database running on the remote server. To connect to a remote MySQL database, this will prompt for a password. MySQL minus u root minus p minus 192.168.1.2 to connect to a local MySQL database. MySQL minus u minus root minus p. If you want to specify MySQL root password, the command line itself, enter it immediately after minus p without any space. Yum command example to install Apache using yum install httpd. To upgrade Apache using yum update httpd. To install remove Apache using yum remove httpd. RPM command. RPM command examples to install Apache using RPM minus IVH HTTP minus 2.2.3 minus 22.0.1 and .i386 RPM. To upgrade Apache using RPM minus UPH HTTP minus 2.3 minus 22.0.1.e15 minus .i386.rpm to uninstall remove Apache RPM minus EV HTTPD. Ping command examples. Ping a remote host by sending only 5 packets. Ping minus C 5gmail.com. Date command example. Set the system date minus S 01/31/2010 23. Once you have changed the system date, you should synchronize the hardware clock with the system date as shown below. Hardware clock minus sys2hc, hardware minus sys2hc minus UTC. Wget command example. The quick and effective method to download software, music, video from the internet is using wget command. Wget command. Wget http //pr downloads .sourceforge.net sourceforge ngios /ngios -3.2.1 is a download and store it with a different name. Wget -o taglist.zip. Thank you.